Hey there, I'm Eric. Ready to see what this Hawk-type electric warp beam trolley can do? Let's check it out.
This hook-style electric trolley is ideal for moving and installing warp beams. With its user-friendly operating handle, it ensures easy use. Electric control hook lifting, up to 700 millimeters, adaptable to any loom. Thanks to the stepless speed regulation, it can run smoothly and safely in each section, even when fully loaded. To help you quickly position the warp beam, this trolley is also equipped with a left and right side shifting function. Taking into account the limited space in some customers' factories, we have added a single wheel movement function to enable quick adjustment of the trolley. Plus, with the EP steering system, you get flexible and effortless four-way steering.
That was fun. The test confirms the excellent performance from our trolley. For more details and the exclusive YouTube offer, feel free to contact us.